never gon' crash. I know I'm never gon' crash. Ayy, never be turning around, never be turning around. Ayy, never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down. Ayy,
first look.
I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas. Ayy, I know I'm never gon' crash. I know I'm never gon' crash.
As soon as that light turns green, boy.
Oh no.
Nice one. So I take that back?
I hooked.
I didn't.
I hooked like a mother.
Dude, I was like this. welcome to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day today. We are currently on our way to an Ace Cafe car meet, and the event for today is Ford meet. And that being said, we brought the Ford Mustang that we have, so we're gonna bring this to the meet. I don't know how this video is gonna go. I'm gonna try and get some reactions. I know you guys absolutely love the reaction videos of this car. Oh, we got another wide-body Mustang right there. Look at that. That is a pretty sick Hellcat. If you couldn't tell if it was a Hellcat or not. We got the Stang out here. Oh, we got a GT500 rolling in. Oh, that's a Super Snake. Wait, what? No way. Hellcat's leaving. Wow. Oh, it's a track pack, not the Super Snake. Oh, that logo tricked me. That is sweet.
You got the new one.
Dodge Viper rolling in. I think that one's wrap, if I'm not mistaken. Dang, who would have thought this would have turned into a Mopar meet? We got a Charger right there. Challenger right there, Challenger right there, that Challenger that already left, and a Charger right there. They're everywhere. But best of all is this right here. Oh yeah. I need this car. I love everything about this. And he's got the Euro taillights. Nice. Oh. Pro Charge too. That thing sounds insane. I think that's louder than my car. Oh my god. Sounds like a train, dude. We got a 2020 GT500, and we have this Mach-E first look. I think this is the first time I've ever seen one of these.
I know, this is the first one I've seen in person too. I don't like it at all.
Comment below what y'all think of this. Let's take a look at the rear.
Yes, right next to it.
Dang, we got a Lambo taking over the Mustang meet now. Huracan, baby. Look at the crowd. This is nice. He just asked him what he does for a living.
Okay. Sitting in front of you.
That's what I'm saying, dude. This thing's insane. What we are doing now is that we are going to a racetrack meet, but it is actually for Kevin in memory of him. I actually had him on the channel a couple times in his orange GT 500 2020. Was an absolute beast. Unfortunately, he passed away a couple days ago in that car. So that is what this meet is for. It's hosted just for him, and just memory of him. So GT350 gang.
Dude.
We got a clean 5.0. This is Quinn's.
So you trading for an S550 then?
Heck no. Handle's really good. That 3 valve is chopping away. Looks like everybody's dipping. Oh, chop. Oh, he's got the Euro taillights. So if you guys remember this car from a previous video,
I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the phone when I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking is fluent. All of my business booming. Stacking my cash in abundance. All of my family funded. Finally got what I wanted. Life is amazing, I love it. Everyone know that I run it. Yeah, look at me now. Came up. I've been thinking back then when I was in the game.
this is the loudest car in this parking lot. Clearly you guys saw from that video. (12:1) compression. That thing's an absolute beast. Course Extremes. It's got some short gears. What has done to that? Oh my gosh.
Wait. On loudness or obnoxiousness? I think that there's an obnoxious part.
Holy cow.